Let's go ahead and make a seamless pattern using these elements from Canva. This is a collection from Canva, and you can go ahead and just copy this code, and then you're going to enter it over here on elements on the search bar right here. That's where you're going to enter the code. Once you have the code, you're going to press this submit, and then you're going to get all this collection. So this is some of these elements from the pattern. I'm going to go ahead and choose these right here. So let's go ahead and make our pattern. So now that I have a blank canvas, I'm going to go ahead and bring my first image right here. I'm going to resize it just a little bit right here. I'm going to go ahead and tilt it a little bit, center it. You know when it's centered when you see these purple lines or magenta or pink lines right here. That is centered. Let's go ahead and get our next image. I'm going to go ahead and get this one. This is our ice pop. Let me just right here. This is already tilted, so I'm just going to go ahead. This is going to be on our corners. If you see this purple line right here, there's a purple line on the left, then it means it is centered. And then we're going to center it at the top as well. Right there. You kind of see that it locks in. And then we're going to go ahead and do this one. And then up and lock it in. Duplicate it. Center it to the left. Center it at the bottom. Locked in. Duplicate it again. Center it right here. Bring it down. Lock it in. It's going to be moving, so you just careful right here. And center it right here. Now I'm going to go get my ice cream. I'm going to go ahead and resize it right here. I'm going to go ahead and tilt it a little bit, and this is going to go on right here. It's centered. Lock it in place right here. Duplicate it. Center it as well. Find the center. Slide it over, and it's locked in. You could always check if it's aligned. Select both of these. You're going to go through these three dots. You're going to go to align elements, and it's going to be in the middle, align in the middle. So they are aligned, so then we are good. Now let's go ahead and get our next element. I'm going to go ahead and get this cup. And I'm going to, let me see. Should I leave it this way? Let me just resize it. I feel like I want to tilt it. Maybe like that. A little bit, not a lot. So I'm going to center it right here. You see that line? That line means it's centered. And we're going to go ahead and lock it in place right here. I'm going to duplicate it, bring it down. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and get our little cherries right here. These are going to look really cute right here. And then, let me see. I'll just leave them like that. And then we're also going to get our lollipop right here. And duplicate it. And we could flip this one. Let me see. There you go. Right here. So this is what we're going to start with. We're going to go ahead and download it. Let's download. We're going to download it as a PNG transparent background. Okay, so PNG transparent background. Download. Now let's go ahead and open a new blank page. Bring in. And then we're going to go ahead and place it on our corner. We're going to resize it. I am using a 5,000 by 5,000 pixel canvas right here. So this is sized to 2,500. And then just locks in right here on the corner. I duplicate it. I bring this one over here. Locks in right here perfectly. I duplicate both of them. It's easier. Just click over here on the duplicate. Bring it down. And it locks in right here. Once we have that, if we want our pattern smaller, what I do is duplicate the page. I group this, group it, shrink it down to 2,500. Then I duplicate it and bring it over here. It's grouped, so it's going to come all together. I duplicate it again and duplicate it once more. So you could either download it as this size or this size. I like this size because you could always resize it. Let me group it. See, you could resize it to make it bigger or smaller, like this. So once you have it, you could always change the background color as long as you download it as the transparent background PNG. We could have a different color background, or you could add some texture to the back. It's up to you. But look, I like this green. This kind of mid green. This is a cute one. So yes, this is a nice pattern. You could use a nice collection. And there's also more elements that you could use to create a matching or mix and match set. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave me a like if you would like to see more videos, and also a follow.